Hi, this is Kit, and welcome. Columnar Transposition Ciphers. As you can probably guess, a columnar transposition is another type of transposition cipher. It's actually pretty similar to a route cipher, except that the route is broken up. To use this method of encryption, we need a keyword with no repeating letters. In our example, I'll use the word Valkyrie. The keyword holds our algorithm for both encryption and decryption. The number of letters gives us a grid 8 cells wide. We put in our message, "The pumpkin cries at midnight," and take off columns in alphabetical order using the key, which gives us this. Decryption is just as easy. Let's say we receive this mysterious message. We set up our grid like so, and begin filling in columns in the same order that we would have taken them off. You can finish decrypting the message if you like, or not. Until next time, fare thee well, my foxy friends.